Welcome back everyone. This is Anirudh and today we'll be continuing the chapter integers. This will be day 3. In the previous video we discussed about identity property, additive identity and multiplicative identity, absolute value or modulus, inverse property, additive inverse. Actually there is multiplicative inverse also. Today I will discuss about that. So, what is multiplicative inverse? Before that, multiplicative inverse has got another name called reciprocal. So, if you remember well, in the chapter of fractions, I have discussed reciprocal. Anyways, we'll discuss it again. So, when a number is multiplied by its multiplicative inverse, we get the product as 1. So to find multiplicative inverse, we need to divide the number by 1. So multiplicative inverse, I'm just writing MI So multiplicative inverse of 7 is 1 by 7. So if we multiply 7 and 1 by 7, we'll get the product as 1. So to find a multiplicative inverse of number, we just need to divide it by 1. So now we'll discuss addition of integers. Well, for addition of integers, you need to follow some certain steps. Now we'll discuss that. So, if we are adding two positive integers, or when we are adding two positive integers or two negative integers, we need to follow these following steps. So the first step is, only one step is there, no need of numbers. So we need to add the numbers and keep the same sign. So if it is two negative numbers, we should not check the sign. First add the numbers and keep the same sign. So for example, if we are adding minus 7 plus minus 9. So if we are adding minus 7 and minus 9, two negative integers, we should add the numbers and don't check the sign. So 7 plus 9, you will get the answer as 16, and it is two negative integers, so we need to keep the same sign, that is minus. So the answer of minus 7 plus minus 9 is minus 16. And if we are checking two positive integers, we will 7 plus 9, 16. So plus 7 plus 9 plus 16. Well, we don't need to write plus. So this is when we are adding two positive or two negative integers, we need to follow these steps. Now, if it is one positive and one negative, we need to follow these steps. We need to subtract the numbers and keep the sign of the greatest number. So, if it is minus 9 plus 8, so here we need to subtract the numbers. Don't check the sign. First subtract the numbers. 9 minus 8 will be 1, and the what is the sign of the greatest number is 9. So we need to keep the sign of the greatest number, that is minus. So minus 9 plus 8, you will get the answer as minus 1. So this is the steps for addition of one positive and one negative integers. Now it's subtraction of integers. Now here also some certain steps are there. Well, the first step is keep the sign of the first number. Then the second is change the subtraction sign to addition. Third is change the sign of the second number. And the last step is, well, we need to follow the rules of addition of integers. So we'll take an example. Minus 10 minus 9. So here keep the sign of the first number. So it will be minus 10 itself. Change the subtraction sign to addition. So plus, and change the sign of the second number. Now we have changed the subtraction sign to addition. Now change the sign of the second number. That means minus 9 will be 9. So minus 10 plus 9 here. Now we need to follow the rules of addition. In addition of integers, when we are adding one positive and one negative, we need to subtract the numbers. Then we'll get 1. 10 minus 9 is 1, and the greatest number is 10, and the sign of 10 is minus. So the answer will be minus 1. So minus 10 minus minus 9, the answer is minus 1. So this is the subtraction of integers. In the next video, we'll do multiplication, division, and of integers and all that. So hope you liked it. I hope you liked this video. Thank you and bye.